How to hide best friends on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you are logged in. Now, swipe left to access the chats and then tap on the account that you want to hide. Now, tap on their name and then tap on these three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Now, you want to go to Manage Friendship. Now simply tap on remove friend option and then tap on remove. So once you have done that, this is going to hide your best friend on Snapchat. Now there is another way you can do that. So simply go back to the conversation, and here what you want to do is tap on the conversation of the person that you want to hide. So long tap on it and then this box will pop up. Now you want to tap on chat settings and then simply tap on clear from chat feed. Once you tap on clear, it is going to hide the chat conversation from your chat list. And that is it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.